Amazing experience. Highly recommend. Staff really friendly and helpful. Views were absolutely stunning and got plenty of swimming time in too. Boat was spot on. We were in a group of about 30. The guides get the tour light, informational and entertaining. The Blue Cave is a must-see if you visit Majorca. Great boat trip. Well looked after by the friendly crew. We swam in the Blue Cave and also snorkeled in a protected area with lots of fish. We also had the opportunity to try out a paddleboard. Great experience on this tour. Saw lots of fish, plus jellyfish whilst on the boat. The tour was the perfect length for us, and easy to find. The crew were really friendly, and made the trip even better. Thank you. Smile. Made to feel welcome from start to finish. Boat was compact but comfortable, has a toilet on board as well. You can't move around like the bigger boats, but you get to the caves faster. The Blue Caves was the first stop. Life jackets are compulsory but means you can view the rock formation. The water is so transparent you don't need mask and snorkel here. Allowed to swim in the 3 different chambers then back on board. Bit of music on the boat then 40 minutes snorkel at a secluded cove which is full of fish. The staff spoke many languages, drinks available on board as well. The only minor gripe we had was mainly the instructions to get to the dock, although we booked via TripAdvisor. All we had was a pinpoint on Google Maps, but when we got there, after a hectic walk from Alcudia beach, it was a deserted ferry port. Thought we might miss the excursion altogether. Usually there's a sign or stand somewhere. TripAdvisor's instructions were a bit vague. They did provide a number to phone, which we phoned, who sent a WhatsApp link to the destination. We loved it. The crew was incredibly attentive, answering every question, no matter how small. The tour and activities were amazing. Thank you so much, we would definitely be back. We had a wonderful time as a family. The cave dive was superb. The boat trip was very enjoyable. Thank you to the team who were fantastic. Super friendly staff. Had such a great time with beautiful nature. Big plus for the company arranging to pick us up from our hotel last minute as our taxi did not arrive. Exciting trip with genuine tour organizers. The Blue Caves are amazing with their natural blue daylight effect. The snorkeling was also nice. I went on this trip with my family and we had a fantastic time. The team was very professional and friendly, which made the whole experience even more enjoyable. We visited the stunning Blue Cave, did some snorkeling in a beautiful bay, and explored a little part of coastline. We even spotted goats on the cliffs. Everything was well organized and relaxing. Highly recommended.